Hi friends, welcome to Crackyo's video series. Today we are here to discuss important general awareness questions for CMAT and TISNET. Please do like, share and subscribe to our video for more daily updates and hit the bell icon for instant notification. Let's see the first question. Matki is a popular folk dance of which of the following states? It is a popular folk dance of Madhya Pradesh state. It is mostly performed in Malwa region of Madhya Pradesh. Dhumhal is a tribal dance performed by Ruaf tribe in which of the following states? It is performed in Jammu and Kashmir state. Bihu is the state dance of which of the following states? It is the state dance of Assam state. It is performed mostly during the annual Bihu festival celebrated around April. Who was mainly worshipped in Rigvedic period? Indra, god Indra was mainly worshipped in Rigvedic period. Who among the following was the immediate successor of Guru Nanak? Guru Angad was the immediate successor of Guru Nanak after the death of Guru Nanak in the year 1539. When was Third Anglo-Mysore War fought? Anglo-Mysore War was fought in the year 1790 to 1792. The result of Anglo-Mysore War is the Treaty of Seringamapatnam. Friends, Crackyo is providing previous papers of CMAT and TISNET. Please do visit our website crackyo.in to download those papers for your better practice. Let's see the next question. Number of players in a Kabaddi team is? Number of players in a Kabaddi team is 10 to 12 players. 7 players shall take the ground at a time and remaining 3 to 5 players shall be the substitutes. Who is the author of the book Shane Warne's Century? The author of the book Shane Warne's Century is Shane Warne. He is the Australian cricketer. The science of dactylography is commonly known as? The science of dactylography is commonly known as fingerprinting. Sir William Herschel, a British officer in India in 1850s, has first started this dactylography, and the first system that allowed fingerprints to be matched against each other in efficient manner is devised by Sir Francis Galton.
We at Crackyo provide all the previous year CAT papers along with many other MBA examinations such as IIFT, ZAT, SNAP, MAT, CMAT, TIS and PGDBA in the actual exam format. You can attempt them as a test and get a detailed analysis of your performance or download them as PDFs.
Abel Prize is given for major contribution in? Abel Prize is given for the major contribution in mathematics. It is established in the year 2002. Leaving agricultural land uncultivated for some years is known as? It is known as fallowing. Fallow refers to the land that is ploughed and tilled but left unseeded during a growing season. How many members are nominated by the President in Lok Sabha in India? 2 members are nominated by President in Lok Sabha in India. What is the minimum age required to become a member of municipality? 21 years of age is the minimum age required to become a member of municipality. Friends, Crackyo is providing 5 latest pattern CMAT mocks for ₹299. Please do visit our website crackyo.in and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. Reliance produced less amount of gas resulting in government loss in which block? It has produced in KG-D6 block, that is Krishna Godavari Dhirubai 6. It was the Reliance first offshore gas field development and its first underwater discovery. Karewa soils in Kashmir Valley are most suitable for the cultivation of? They are most suitable for the cultivation of saffron, also called as saffron. The deposits of Karewa soil composed of sand, slit, clay and lignite sediments, which is more suitable for the growth of saffron. Which is the only continent through which Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn and Equator passes? Africa is the only continent through which Tropic of Cancer, Capricorn and Equator passes. How many biosphere reserves does India have? India have 18 biosphere reserves. Initial public offer is issued in which market? It is issued in primary securities market. Which is the first small finance bank of the country? Capital Small Finance Bank is the first finance bank of the country. It is opened in Jalandhar. Who is considered as the father of taxonomy? Carolus Linnaeus is considered as the father of taxonomy. Friends, CrackU is providing 5 latest patent TISSNET mocks for Rs 299. Please do visit our website cracku.in and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. The net ticket scheme, which allows a passenger to fly without even visiting a reservation counter, has been introduced by. It has been introduced by Indian Airlines. Outlook.com is a new email service recently launched by. It is the new email service recently launched by Microsoft in the year 2012. Vachaspati Puraskar is given for outstanding performance in the field of. It is given for the outstanding performance in the field of literature. It was founded in the year 1992, instituted by K.K. Birla Foundation. Who has won Subhash Chandra Bose Aapda Prabandhan Puraskar in 2021? Rajendra Kumar Bhandari has won Subhash Chandra Bose Aapada Prabandhan Puraskar in 2021. Which among the following river has been given the status of living entity? Wanganu is a river which has been given the status of living entity. Hope you like the video. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to the video and hit the bell icon for daily updates. Thank you.